How you get in here? Okay, I know that you're my 2 o'clock, but still, how did you get in here? They let you in? They not supposed to be doing that. No, I know you texted me, but like you still supposed to just look at the instructions in your email. Like I said, ring on the doorbell and then someone will let you in, ring you in. I didn't say you be knocking on my door. You just don't be knocking on people's door, but come in. Where y'all trying to go today? Yeah, I could do for some hookah. Ooh, tonight? All right, yeah, let me hurry up and get this girl on my chair, and then I'm going to call you back later, all right? All right. All right, hey, so, what did you want again? Okay, wait, let me see it here first. Okay, so in my policy, did you read it? You read it. So I said come blow dried. This is not blow dried, mommy. This is not blow dried. So I'm gonna have to charge you extra for that, just so you know. Yeah. And what hairstyle you was getting again? Small knotless waistland box braids. Let me go take a smoke break real quick. Let me take a smoke break. All right, let me see these. Did you wash this hair? Cause I'm seeing like little white flakes and stuff. That's dandruff? I don't know. Let me. Well, maybe it's dandruff then. Cause yeah, it looked dirty. All right, so you got a lot of hair. You got so much hair. I didn't know you had this much hair. Why you ain't tell me? Oh my God. All right, let me start. Huh? You tender-headed? You cannot be tender-headed. Your hair is too thick to be tender-headed. You can't be tender-headed. You want me to get it straight? You want me to blow dry? You want me to you want it to be neat, right? So let me do what I gotta do. Pain is beauty. Huh? You don't want too much heat? Okay, so listen. How it works is like I do the hair because I'm the stylist, right? So certain styles require certain heat. If you don't want heat or certain things in your hair, then you feel me, that's something you pick a different style or all right, or you come blow dried, you come. That's why I say come blow dried, come detangle. So it make it easier for both of us. When you don't, okay, but this is not blow dried. This is not blow dry straight. This is just dry. So can I continue? Thank you. You ever thought of cutting your widow's peak? Like, you know you got a widow's peak, right? Yeah, because this middle part is, like, it's tricky because you got this widow's peak right here and it's throwing me off. Your roots is thick, you know that, right? Yeah, your roots is thick. You Nigerian or something? Or you Ghanaian? Yeah. My African clients always come with the thickest hair and they want me to do a sleek style. Like, please be so for real. Whew. Okay, so I need you to start separating the hair from me, all right? I want you to make it like thin, like make it like, this is a good density, okay? All right, so start separating them for me. Here. Oh, sorry. Can you pass me here? What's in here? You're too slow with this passing here. Like, when I ask you to pass me here, like, I'm not on my phone, so I feel like you shouldn't be on your phone. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is a group effort. Question, you know how to braid? You do? Okay, start braiding these ends right here. Braid these ends right here. Yeah. Braid them as tight as you can, all right? Thank you. Tell him that you'll be done in about 3-4 hours. Yeah, no, because I saw him text you what time you're going to be done. Say 3-4 hours, but I will not be rushed, just to let you know. Okay. I swear, y'all clients, y'all don't want me to have nice fingers. Y'all don't want me to get my nails done. Y'all don't want me to have nice ankles, nice feet. I just want to break my fingers and have me work all day, because y'all be asking for the tiniest styles. Like, I think I'm about to take this off my site, because I literally hate doing them. Like, I hate doing small knowledge box braids. Like, braid this ends for me. Thank you. Your hair gets tangled so quick, you know that? Yeah. What you said? Why did I start in the front? Because that's how I start. Why is there a problem? Because, like, I don't have to do your hair. Oh, you just making conversation? Oh, okay. Well, that's not the type of conversation I like. Like, oh, because you know other braiders that start in the back? Okay, that's dumb. Me, I start in the front. Because do you like the ones that you see in the front? Exactly. So, because I don't want to start going to the front, and then by the time I turn the front, the back look different. Like, yeah. All right. Whew. Y'all got me working. Oh, I'm tired. Which braid? This braid? What's wrong with this braid? Okay, but you the one who picked this color. Tucking is an extra feet, and then you got blood ends, so this is the best it's gonna get. And you the one who braiding the ends right now, so you're kind of like, yeah, so just wait till it's dipped in water. When it's dipped in water, it's gonna look way better, I promise you. I'm really not a fan of all this dandruff you got, because what's all that? Let me go wash my hands. What happened? You went to the bathroom, you ain't like the ones in the back? But they in the back, nobody's gonna see them. Like, the ones in the front, did you like the ones in the front? Okay, then. So then the ones in the back, nobody's gonna see, so it don't really matter. All right, I'm done. Let me just spray this oil on your scalp. What's this? You could read, right? Okay. What's up, girl? Yeah, I'm finished. Give me some time. I gotta get showered and get dressed. I just finished this girl here, finally. Yeah, I'm putting mousse on there now. All right. I'll call you back later. right, this looks nice. Maybe want to take your glasses off. Yeah. All right. Okay. Cute. I like it. So, because I had to blow dry your hair, and because you had dandruff and it wasn't really washed. Because you helped me braid the ends and you passed me hair. So, anywho, like I said, because I did all those things, that's going to be an extra $70 charge. And then because you didn't listen to my policy and then you knocked on my door, that's going to be extra $10. So you could just add $80 to the already $300 charge. Discounts? I'm sorry, I don't do discounts. Yeah. Wait, your middle part off? Nah, it's not that. It's the widow's piece, like I said. If you wanted to shave it off, like, it would have been middle part. But because you have a widow's piece, it's, like, a little bit more complicated. Yeah, like, it's fine. Like, it really is. I mean, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. All right, thank you for the money. And when you leave, don't leave out the front door because my landlord be watching who be coming and going. And I told him I'm not supposed to really be doing hair here. So go out the back door. Yeah, the one to your left, where they take out the trash. And then 2, hold on here a second. I'm gonna have my niece check around the house because you went to the bathroom to make sure nothing's missing, like you ain't steal anything. So just give me like 5 minutes, and then when she texts me that everything's good and nothing's missing, then you can go. Yeah.